community meetup.
Oh, so I don't know if
There hasn't been an update yet to fix
No.
the override region, has there?
I don't think so. We just have to, make sure everybody's actually quiet or gather them closer. But one thing, Star Bacon was basically saying that they have like a time constraint and they want to go first. So just
Okay, I can't put them first. I'll put them second.
Okay. You already have the list started?
Sorry, what was it?
I was just saying you already have the list started?
I do, yeah. But what was the name of the person that wanted to?
Oh, I think Star Bacon.
Ahead of time.
Yeah, there. Just as I start lagging. Awesome. I bet I got kicked out. Nice. Let's try restarting it. And auto opens VR. That means I have to get the settings again. Well, since I'm here, welcome to the community meetup. I normally don't do an intro, but here we are. Just about starting in 5 minutes. VRChat just recently had an update, so it's like, oh. That's quite the bug. Okay. Let's try that again. I'm pretty sure that the instance might be dead now. Let's check from the Discord. Okay. Only one person mentioned they crashed. I don't think I see anybody else mentioning it. I might have to just restart. And if this one still kicks me out, I'm restarting. Nope, they already kicked me out. Time to restart. Let me know if like my chat is broken again. I would say ping me on Discord then.
Yeah,
Oh, I see people again.
How it's I've been awake since like 7 o'clock in the morning. Wow. Waiting for it to be 1.
7 o'clock.
I'm trying to hit fire, but it keeps moving. 7 o'clock. Space is too powerful.
7 o'clock.
Sorry, there's no flush. Like this, I'm shooting here.
Happy birthday.
Thanks. I just got kicked out, so I have to go get the thing again. Wait, is this even? Boop. Who did that? Oh.
Oh, you made it. Good morning.
Looks like excess overlay is not refreshing. Interesting. How do I refresh the windows
That
now?
happens to me sometimes.
This is the first time it's ever happened.
I've got problems with it updating Discord a lot. But I restarted my computer. That seems to have fixed it. I'm having hard times with foot tracking today. Let's not put my Diet Coke somewhere where I put my feet, huh? Phone. Where's phone?
Okay, I have it updating now. Thank you for commenting one. And we got 2 minutes. VRChat breaking override regions. I don't know what the point of the center is anymore.
That's fine. We already have 2 people.
I got that VRO.
Yeah.
Oh, do a lot of people type constraints too? Huh?
Yeah, you're prepared. This is the day. This is the day.
The day what? Just the day?
Well, I'm gonna show off a world.
Yeah, it's amazing. I'd ask questions.
The
but you know,
world
about to
is
see it.
600 kilobytes.
I was waiting, but is it actually? What do you have in this? Oh, I guess primitives.
Oh, who's sad?
But okay, yeah, we should.
Sorry that you have a.
Oh, looks like we might be starting.
Wait, did Squid crash?
We just crashed. Yep, you run it, Cyan.
Okay, guys.
Hey, Wyoming.
Host it, birthday boy. Time to go early.
Hey, Cyan, are you gonna win today?
So, pretty sure the voice override reason does not work. So thanks VRChat for the update. And I'm just gonna have to actually say, okay, everybody, actually quiet, please. We have no voice override region today. So thanks VRChat. Squid just crashed. I guess I'm doing this initial portion until he gets back, which who knows when that'll be. And where's this
Hey
at?
guys, can we maybe stay around the white circle? That way everyone can still see and we can more or less hear at the white circle.
But yes, thank you all for coming. This is the community meetup, a meetup for the community here to show off worlds they are making in VRChat. We are not affiliated with VRChat or any other real community, but just the events Discord. Yes, and yeah, as I just said, the event here is mainly just for showing off worlds in progress or even ones that are public. And if you plan on showing a world, make sure that it abides by VRChat's terms of service, no explicit content and all that things. If it has copyrighted music, it is allowed. Just make sure you let me know because I am in fact streaming and I don't want copyright strikes. Make sure that your world is set to 40 people so that we can fit everybody. I'm pretty sure we are already past the 40 max, which means we can get 80. Yep, we're already past 40. When it's your turn to drop a portal, you can make sure it is Friends Plus or Invite Plus. And now that Squid is back, please make sure you point at our avatars, point at us with your quick menu and show our avatars because we have little shader messages that we can pop up. Can you do an example? Like this one? Wow, thanks, Squid. If you plan on showing a world, please make sure to let us know of the file size. We tend to want larger worlds around 250 megabytes, 300 megabytes towards the end so that people with slower internet can actually, enjoy the meetup and visit the worlds. Make sure you've actually been to your world because we have had instances where people don't have floors and we just kind of fall over or fall down forever. But in those cases, we will post the instance link back to this world so that in the community meetup Discord so that everybody can get back. And I guess going with that, if you're not in the community meetup Discord, join or go to vrchatevents.com to join it. Let's see. If you have any time constraints when showing off a world, please let us know. It sounds like we already have 3 people on the list who want to go up early. We'll find out later. One key thing, though, because of this event, we have a ton of people. We are enforcing that you must have a good, or I guess, medium or better avatar. Please, no poor or very poor. If you see somebody, bug them, make them change. Let's see. I think that's everything. Yes. If you would like to show off a world, please come up to the center and we'll write your name down. Okay. Are you writing them down, Squid, or I got it? Wait, where did Squid just go?
Squid, you coward! I think he crashed again.
All right, I gotta write this down.
Yeah, I've had 3 crashes today. This is not a good
3 crashes? Oh, yeah, you just crashed.
Cyan,
Yes.
I was one of those people that contacted ahead of time to go early. In my world is 2 megabytes in size.
Okay.
That's bigger than mine. Get out of here.
Mine's 0.9.
Damn you, anime femoid!
Oh, it's okay. Wait, Wyoming, are you showing off a world?
No.
Oh, okay. Sorry. People up front are the ones showing off worlds.
Yeah. Request of getting early, maybe second, like after peak.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really care where I'm placed.
Yeah, it's all good. Whenever. Yeah, I got like 45. I only got like 45 minutes, so I think I can make second place work.
I still think this event should have a max.
I was
size
rated
version.
Kaito.
It's really good how they broke the voice away.
It's always super fun to get
Yeah, it
I had a
sucks.
bit.
It's just a...
I had a bit planned out for the voice override region going here where everyone sat at the front. It's been ruined.
Wait, give me 2
I
seconds.
had a bit. I had a. Is there any way I
Okay.
can force people to stay? Like, say I'm.
I mean, I can tell them to all go quiet.
Map.
Okay, so let me see if I got the list
Like,
here.
force people to be like here, so they look at me from this
Peep,
direction.
you said you wanted to go first. Then we have Star Bacon, who also has a time constraint.
Do you have?
Thou again, Hens, Nostro, Lan, and Kala. Did I forget
Never
anybody?
mind, I thought you had like time constraints. You were going ahead of me.
Nobody's complaining, so I'm gonna say
I
no.
just did it for fun because my world is actually smaller than yours. So badly.
My little mutts are quaking, bro.
You got hens and Konski? Yeah.
Hens and who?
Get on my level 600 kilobytes.
Was that 2 names or just 1? Because I do have Hens.
Get on my level.
Lord Konski and hens.
Wait, Lord Consti. Is there somebody I don't see here?
Discriminate against your kind.
Yep. Standing right.
What about the anime girls with good performance?
I don't see them.
Such
They might
a
be locked at
thing
0
is a
for you.
myth.
No, well, 0 would be right here, but that was somebody else.
Zero's right here.
Yeah.
Oh, 0's here, then I don't know.
I don't see. I was if they have have me blocked or something.
They're right here. They're right here.
I don't. See, okay, let me check the list here.
Yep, Lord Konsti.
Ah,
Yeah, Lord
He
Constantine's right there.
can't. No, everyone else can hear you. Yeah, you exist. You may not exist for science.
okay.
I'm trying to find them as well.
Doesn't exist for me either.
Bragging.
Oh, it doesn't exist for you either. It's right here.
Okay, if that's the case, I'll go ahead and put them on the list. I'm not sure.
No,
Yeah,
VRChat would
literally in
never
a
do
ghost
that.
avatar, so that's funny.
Yeah, nah, this game.
I'm gonna have to like guess on the name here.
You know.
What did you say? I didn't hear you. The game was a
You
bit
might be.
broken.
Yeah, it's COSSTANTI.
The game's
Lord
perfectly fine. It
Constantine.
never
Okay.
breaks, never lags.
If that's the
Very,
case,
very
hopefully I'll see you in the next world. Please like come up to me at spawn, just like wave and have somebody yell at somebody if I don't see you. I'll just try rejoining then. But with that, I guess I have everybody. So I guess Peep, do you have anything you want to say? I'll have to quiet everyone down again.
I got 2 notes written down and a bit.
Okay. Everyone else can sit down. I'm gonna this does nothing here, but okay, the center is open for you even if it does nothing.
Honestly, the center doesn't really do much.
It doesn't, but it's just a point of view kind of thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and find. Why can't it?
So according to plan, mind you.
Okay. Everybody quiet down, please. Peep is going to say something before we enter his world. And again, no voice override, so you actually have to listen. So please, everyone be quiet.
Alright, so I know I'm gonna get my frames obliterated by facing the crash, so I've made an avatar to counteract this.
Oh, joy.
Without further ado, the world I've made is just a display for the numerous models I've made because I made way too many of them, and I've made a good bunch of them public. Two little issues, not really issues, 2 things of note. I put a media player in the world, but it broke, so it may or may not play music for other people. music's probably copyrighted, so you know, mute that if you're streaming.
Mute.
2, there's a chunky bit of bloom, not much, but if you don't like bloom, I put a little button at spawn to get rid of that. So if you feel it necessary, coward, you can turn that off. Someone yelled at me for this, and I thought it was fine.
You need to learn. There's never enough bloom. There's always more bloom.
According to some guy, the best amount of bloom is when you don't notice it. Just don't put bloom in.
Oh wait, go forward.
The
Wait,
portal.
what?
What? He didn't drop a portal. He went to it as well.
No, he did drop it.
Did he crash?
No, he went through the portal.
No, he just went straight to the world. Discord. Instead of launching a portal.
No, he dropped a portal. He dropped it and went in. Like,
Oh, did he?
For me, I saw a portal for 2 seconds.
Oh, weird.
Yeah.
Maybe it crashed.
I just messaged him on Discord.
Actually, this is annoying.
So, can anybody count how many people we have? I think we do need to wait for him. Just like give him at least 1 minute to come back.
Alright, in this world we have.
Do we have 80?
12,
My menu not loading.
3, 6, 9, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. It's not looking good.
Oh no.
72.
Okay, if that's the case and he can't get back in,
We have exactly 72 people.
Oh no, we do have a space.
What? So
Okay, if that's the case, then yeah, we can go ahead and drop. Do you have anything you want to say?
Yeah, I want to say a few things.
Okay, let me just get the quiet
what
please
I'm
up.
working on.
Okay, everybody quiet down. The previous person, some random peep, went through the portal and he's not back yet, so we're moving on to the next one. So, Starbacon, if you want to say anything.
Okay, so what I've been working on recently for the past 2 weeks is a corporation.
Oh, he's here.
I do let him do it. And
Did I do something wrong?
The portal died as soon as you went in.
The portal and it disappeared.
Boston! Alright, I'm gonna drop another one.
Okay. Well, he's back, so it's...
I've seen him in a few weeks. It's been a couple weeks.
Just don't.
Hold it.
Don't make me go in.
Right.
Okay.
Go.
I'm just gonna go in.
Into the bridge.
Okay.
No, that's good. I'm glad that you've even seen it. I'd love if you watched.
You don't wanna?
I'm the one putting up the signs. I'm just like telling people to go in.
Beautiful.
Oh.
Hell yeah, did all rest puzzles come through? How is it not closed?
We had there was an update that basically lets it go to like the hard cap rather than the soft cap, which is why the parentheses are there.
Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know.
Cyan,
Yes.
I'm gonna double check my world, make sure it's okie dokie. I'll be back in the Jeff. Won't take long.
Okay. Thank you.
I think.
Wait, what was going on then?
Oh,
Oh, that's true.
very simple way.
You silly man!
Also, I think Vogan's basically just Vogan's just, yeah.
I was
can just
walking
about.
around and I didn't figure out who it was. And somebody said, this looks more like a mission than Bloom.
Excuse me?
Wait. Nobody's loaded, or Pete hasn't loaded into where to go.
Panda, you're froze for me. The blue button?
Yeah, Panda's frozen for me as well.
What are we doing the world? Fine.
Okay.
Everyone,
You make a mirror and you can like exclude Unity layers in said.
Yeah, I tried. Okay, I tried doing that, and I couldn't get it to work because I'm probably on an ancient SDK version. I gotta go back and fix that. But I tried doing it. It would get rid of everything. It would show, like, it'd show a player, right? It'd show the player. No, actually, no, it wouldn't. It'd get rid of everything. Including you, but like you could see other people in the optimized mirror.
Oh, did you set it to player local instead of mirror? Yeah. Instead of mirror
No,
reflection.
I put player and player local.
That's wrong.
Yeah.
You need to have player and mirror reflection.
Jump in your world.
No player.
That's my
local.
joke.
Anyway, any other questions?
I will.
Add jump.
I will.
Listen, I couldn't do it. I was trying to do it. I hadn't done maps in a while, so it was like an ancient technique for me, and I completely forgotten how to add jump. And apparently, with the ancient SDK build I'm on, it would be a bit of a hassle.
No?
Players haven't changed in forever.
Wait, does this world actually have your avatars in it?
It does appear to have them.
If you go over there, my good sir, and hit that blue button that's not occupied by a mirror, you can see for yourself.
Not occupied by a mirror.
someone already told Peep not to use AO.
You may find the new SDK easy.
And have mirror off by default.
It has a little prefab in it. And just drag it in.
All the loading.
Nope.
So it's a good thing. It's a
Okay.
good thing because.
So the background sound is constantly loading for me.
Oh, I don't even hear it. Jason, to the point of the soft cap right now is basically it'll just block it from public lists. So if a world is full, according to the
So
soft
it sounds
cap,
like the background audio begins every time someone loads, and so it's just like.
yeah. The soft cap will just like remove from the public list, so it's like public worlds are averaging that soft cap. But you know, obviously they can go much higher.
So it sounds like the audio is constantly restarting.
And so these are all of
Hens is
Peep's
here.
avatars. Hens is showing a world.
I'm not even hearing
Oh no! Really? I cannot wait! I cannot wait! Wow.
Don't spoil
Let me look at the
I'm
list.
even hearing the audio with the stuff going on here.
No, it's
It'll
just
be the
showing the
best
world.
experience you'll ever experience.
Somebody ping Igbar.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, my brain. If Igbar's gonna be mad if he doesn't get to see it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, now you.
What the fuck is happening?
I think I'm fine.
Video player, dude.
Okay, it's broken. It's broken. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Stop. I'm not really on the
What? No, I'm not getting banned again.
Banned again? What?
I'm tired
There's so many people in here. Woohoo! It might be safe for you talking to someone I got blocked. Wow!
I'm not talking to anybody.
Oh wait, I thought you were just talking to somebody standing right there.
Oh, somebody was standing right next to me talking about something, but okay. I see Lord Constantine now. But Squid, how do you feel that we should like handle like timing for each one today? Since we have like 3 people who wanted to go first.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot going on in this one, so I'm gonna say we're gonna move on in like a minute or less.
Okay.
I'm gonna say that.
Yeah, I don't care. This is like a really short word, so you don't need to hold like 15 minutes into it. I just needed a place to display Avatar. That wasn't my first like terrible attempt.
Peep, is that number over there you? Or is that an avatar?
I'm pretty sure that's an avatar.
The distance dot. That's an avatar? Whose avatar is that?
Wait, the distance thing?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, there's a green
I see
green
green
dot
spell.
over there.
Oh, I see.
That tells you how far away you are from it.
Quiet,
Oh.
We gather around the center here.
Oh, I couldn't even see that in this world.
Take a photograph. Tony did that with the bridge in London.
Hey, Simon! What are you doing there?
Is Star
He sent me all the photos.
Right here.
I'm right here.
Make it so you can see
Do
the
you need to
nuance.
say anything before you drop a portal to
Yes, please. I'd like to see this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, everybody quiet,
I think
please.
that's a good place to drop the portal. If everyone moves away here. Okay, alright. So, what I've been working on is a kind of a corporation. A very new made corporation. We're just in business, like we just started business. And it's about a thing that I like and adore very much. Some people may not like it, but some people might. It's just something I made, like a world on me for the first time. I'm pretty proud of it. I like it. It's a bit small, so it might get cramped. Around 93 megabytes. And I don't know if the copyright music is copyrighted, but it's a banger, so it's worth the risk. So,
That sounded so funny. I don't know if the copyright music is copyrighted.
But it's a banger, so it's fine.
Everyone back out of the way, please.
Move. Move out of the way of the puzzle.
Alright, people, I introduce to you Chungus Corporation.
Oh, wait.
Oh no.
And that was Chungus Corporation, everyone.
I need to actually jump in every time.
Okay.
Oh, frames! They're back!
Yep, all the frames. There's 2 things in this map that make it really rough. It's the star nest and the real-time light. It's brutal.
There's an AO too, but I don't know if that's like performant heavy, but...
Yeah, I don't think AO is. I think it's mostly baked in if you use it, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh. Kind of annoying. Access overlay is not letting me actually update this. Do I need to try it again? What causes that? But at least this button refreshes it. What am I looking at here?
I mean, like,
Hi, I'm also
Right. What is? Why is everything so huge?
Quality shitpost. Because it doesn't know how to crunch compress, probably.
No, not huge in file size. I meant like physically. Like this door is so tall.
Physically. I mean, big Chungus has to be able to get in.
Fine.
Oh god, no, we're not
I'm not using that avatar because I was not optimized.
Where is? I heard my name.
Cyan. Yeah. Why did you leave your chair over in that corner?
I like the
But
one.
I have feet. Unless you're suggesting that at one point I was handicapped, but you know, it's a miracle I can walk. Crap, does that mean I have to actually?
How your calves doing, Cyan? Maybe you could use it.
I don't know how to not. I'm just gonna like break myself in my play space here. I don't have the right rotations.
I can't see you. You're still loading, so.
You're still loading for me.
Yeah,
Oh, now you're
the
loading.
loading is really slow today. Like it's like.
I think just in
It
general.
is.
Ah. Okay. Oh, there you are.
Wait,
Hi.
Maybe it's partly because I cleared my cache yesterday.
No, I haven't cleared my cache and
So,
yet everyone's still
like,
going.
I went. I thought I was fine. I went hiking with Spencer, and like I feel it in my butt so bad.
Oh, sorry.
Like we didn't even go very far. We went like 3 miles or so. I guess I also did squats though. Maybe the squats I did it.
So sorry.
I'm gonna have massive.
You want to invest in Chungus?
What does it mean to invest in Chungus?
Dude, you know, just invest for my business. You won't regret it.
Why are you perfect now? You weren't before.
Because he has to be the Chungus.
Yeah, this was.
Oh, is that what he is? Are you a very poor Chungus right now? I guess we'll see your.
Yeah, he's just in case of draw calls.
Oh, nice.
For this world.
Bacon.
Yo, what's up, guys?
I love how
like
yeah he's.
$12. I have to fire a couple people.
This is an investment in the meme, I will say.
Investment in the
I'm
meme.
sorry, I have to fire.
I am gonna say, Bacon. There was one meme on the wall over there that I just can't. I'm not gonna look at on stream. It was too vile.
What's that? Which one?
The jar one.
I don't know. Yeah, I see that. It was
So you asked how you can invest in Chungus? This is how you invest in Chungus. Look at this.
Yeah, this is.
I cannot invest in something that has been invested in by the Unganda Noggle.
I guess, yeah, continue looking around here.
Yeah, I didn't realize there was a little bit of distortion.
Wasn't it supposed to be the copyrighted? That's not supposed to be copyrighted banger?
I'm trying to hear it.
Wait, they have Pill up there?
I don't recognize it.
I feel like I'm in a social situation.
Scion is about very well known mode
It's totally fine.
The SK is broken.
They've got Big Chungus for the PS4.
Hey, Cyan, what did you do to the typewriter?
Okay, for real though, I'm hyped for bigger Chungus.
I mean, I just type with a heavy hand.
That's right.
I like how they consider themselves like a known
pair of socks. You just call me a sissy in front of everybody.
I mean, now you just like told everybody on stream.
God damn it, pair of socks.
He just played himself?
I want to see the other side.
Oh wait, is Squid doing notifications? Wait, Squid, are you doing notifications right now? Because I don't see any of them.
No, I'm waiting for Vagan right now to jump the portal. I'm just getting ready.
Oh, okay.
We're dropping a photo right now.
Spook Station.
Hello, guys.
Are we going here?
Yes.
Hey, what?
So the music is in fact a very epic orchestrated version of the Big Chungus theme.
I didn't know there was a theme for it.
VRChat, so pretty crazy stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, fucking, I don't know, man.
Oh, the lag. But it loaded fast. I should have asked if this had copyrighted music, because you didn't have sound.
Untextured worlds like this, they make me feel good. So
I'm
what is
working on.
this?
I'm working on
Atlas
some.
T?
No,
Vagan.
Yep.
That's right, Vagan.
I'm working on a like.
They really want to show off the lighting. A better way to show off the lighting is just don't have pictures.
Oh, cool. Are you gonna? Is this gonna be a VCAT thing for you?
Let's. I was planning on it being like one of the 100 Among Us spookality entrances. So but this one is
Got it.
Quest compatible, so obviously that means I have victory.
Yes, good job. So anyway, make more quest worlds.
Besides the Make More Quest worlds, I'm kind of surprised that you know, don't have a reflection probe and you're just black in here.
That sounds like
I do have reflection probes, which
You
is
didn't even edit.
here. Wait.
You could have a black light probe.
Wait a minute.
Oh no, you wouldn't be, because I would be there too. It's working.
Wait, how do I open the door?
For you.
Oh.
Reflection probe.
I had working reflection probes when I tested this morning.
Are they editor only?
No?
No?
They might be dialed into something that's happening.
Yeah.
No, but they were working on me.
Huh.
I'm not sure.
What's with the planet out there so pixelated?
One of my plans was if I did textures, I would have it look like Half-Life 1 or Doom.
So just low imitated those?
New build? Why are the frames so bad today?
I mean, the only thing that's changed is build, probably. Or new people, but...
Basically, we should reenact Among Us, so you're the imposter.
Wait, why am I the imposter?
Just because you're on the crate.
I keep thinking you're actually here.
You can go up there?
I saw.
What is with this jump?
Okay.
Upstairs,
Ah, yes.
Oh, the food snacks.
I can play third imposter all the time.
Oh, like,
It's a one-way, very painful elevator.
Oh shit!
It's a giant maze, man. It was
Why
great.
am I getting such a feeling of passion?
Zero gravity.
Let it happen, let it happen.
Nice. Yeah, you're not gonna
Yeah.
Yeah, I had working reflection probes. You know,
I mean, I can see your fake reflection probe right here.
What? No, that's not fake. There's just actually this is supposed to be this will eventually be like a grate, so you can see a hallway down there and up here.
So I didn't know if like this was the like.
Logan, do you have any occlusion baked in here? I'm just curious.
Did I? I did at one time. I might not at the moment. Oops.
Yeah, maybe that's why. Maybe we're bringing on everyone.
Like, we have had so bad frames in the last few worlds now. The one, like, Peeps, which is just open, I understand. But, like, this
I
one,
mean,
we should be getting decent
crashed
frames.
3 times since the meetup. So.
Yeah, if I look this way, it goes away. So as long as I'm looking this way, yeah, I don't think it's just frustrum culling, not occlusion at the moment. I think.
Yeah, well, I'm getting 30 frames.
best
That's
frames.
for the course.
I'm getting the same frames everywhere I look, just like around 30. So.
What they did, they built this
Maybe I'll see if I can break that record.
thing that changes.
Okay, 35 looking
Are you
that
showing
way.
something today, Len?
Yes, Len is.
Are you doing the list?
Seconds.
Wow, we have like everyone that's showing today are people that don't normally show. Oh, I guess Holly shows. Wait, Lord Cos. Oh, is that Constantine? Okay.
They were not in front of me, so I didn't know who it actually was when they were speaking. Or asking.
Yeah.
With like functioning states.
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm excited to talk to you guys next week.
Yes, it's always.
Oh, yay, yes.
Common world now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wait, what time is that going to be?
Shoot, I'm pretty sure it was 4 my time, which was Eastern time, so I don't know what that was for you guys.
So same time as this meetup starting.
Much easier too.
Yeah, I think it's pretty much the same time, but it'll be on the Saturday.
Gotcha. Okay. I just realized that I double booked myself, so I need to go tell the other person to change that time. So.
Alright, cool. I'm glad I reminded then.
Yes.
Yeah, we need to have like a pony's calendar
at this point.
Yeah, I have to put a calendar for all of my different interviews and things that I have to do. Because me and Protostar, we have to share that because he like does all the managing stuff for me. And so if we don't have the calendar, then he forgets things and I forget things. And it's just a way better way to just stay organized on all the different interviews and stuff I have to do throughout each week.
Yeah, I bet you.
Right. Yeah, I guess we haven't really like had to manage a group calendar before. It's just kind of like,
I mean, it was just really difficult getting us, even play tests, and there was like no real time for a calendar.
I know.
Put them in the wall.
I wish Discord had a calendar channel like built in. That would be useful.
Oh, that'd be fun.
Like, yeah.
There's a lot of things
basically becomes Slack. So we did make a prefabs calendar, but it requires me to manually update it, and I just never do. And so I think it's actually and no one uses it, so super outdated at this point. But
that's sad.
Speaking of outdated, VRCprefabs.com does not have a link to VRCprefabs.com/browse, which I feel like is unfortunate.
What is it? Fax is the one like maintaining that website.
Yeah, bug facts. I'm only the social director. I don't do any tech. So yeah, if there's any like bot stuff or Discord stuff, yeah, Monkey and Fax typically run that stuff.
There are doors up here.
What?
Is this a sign?
There's a door over there, and there's a door over here.
Yeah, they're hallways. Like, this is a multi-layer hallway area.
Wait, so do we, when you need to get to the other side, do we have to use this pipe?
Nope.
Walk across the pipe over the best.
No, so, the floor beneath us, there's another one down here. This is going to be a grate, but right now it's just kind of transparent.
Wait, there's some sort of glass here. Oh, okay, never mind.
Right, yeah, we're standing onto the same thing.
We're being responded.
Sorry, but you don't get to do space travel. You don't fit.
If I'm honest, I don't know what to say. Okay, around.
What did I? Why? Lag. Oh god. Has it calmed down? I think it has calmed down.
You don't have to if you don't like this one.
And strap the portal.
I do like it. I can't see you.
Imagine that
This is copyright audio, by the way, so just be aware that get like 40 copyright strikes.
Oh yes!
Gee, thanks.
Oh my god.
Public is fine once all of us go in.
It's fine, yeah.
Shove it forward.
It's fine that it's public, guys.
What are the odds?
We have amazing frame rate.
It's fine.
Nice. Cool. Thank you.
You guys are gonna have a
Here we go. We have a Hens World. I'm pretty sure we've seen this before, but somebody ping Igbard and make sure. I don't remember which one this is. Curious if it's. Nope, can't comment. Actually, I don't think I've seen this.
Don't turn around. Oh, actually, do turn around.
What is this?
No. Oh, what?
What?
Holy shit.
I'm not lagging anymore.
You're here.
What? Why?
Is this technically breaking TOS?
Why is this
Yes or
breaking?
no?
Wait, what is? What are you pointing at?
No. It's just memes.
Yeah, because the young study listening.
It's just memes.
Closet, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to the water closet. This place, welcome to heaven. Welcome to heaven.
Wait, were we here before?
Like, you're not asking.
a few months
We are in a very good place now. We're in Nance.
I just slipped a fat load of drugs into my veins last map.
This world is.
Oh my god.
Oh, love an always on mirror.
Always on mirror at lowest resolution.
Love it. Love
Yes. Poo poo mirror. No mirror. Solitaire.
No mirror, beautiful.
Oh, guys, just make sure you put it on solitaire. You'll be good.
Oh,
What the fuck?
I mean, I get it.
Why is the mirror on by default? That's just.
Wait. Are you
That's
trying to
quality
ask a
mirror.
reasonable question here?
Wait, who took it?
Hey, Cyan.
Hi.
We have a Google Sheets bed.
Have a Google Sheets bed.
There you go.
What name is this? It is meme day apparently.
Literally reflecting everyone in here.
What is this?
I love
Which I don't remember what is this. This is so crazy.
Oh, is this the bathroom? Wait, do I just not have an avatar? What? Why did... It auto-changed my avatar. What am I now?
Wow.
You're a space heater? I'm not sure. Poopy fan, you're a fan.
Okay, we're a fan if you go into the bathroom.
Don't walk into the toilet. Don't do it.
Is that part of your avatar? What?
Hey, how's it going? Wanna hop in my whip? I'll get my car.
But yeah, this build is just.
Wait. Oh, is that the pickup?
No, God.
I should change back.
Come on, ladies.
Oh, Cyan, you check.
That's the corner. What are you doing?
I'm trying to go back. It auto changes you when you go into the bathroom.
Well, Cyan, have you looked at the computer case over there?
Yes.
I don't know.
Calibrate.
Okay.
Where did I just go? Goodbye, cruel world. What is all this? So we got a Chungus too. These feet? What is going on back here?
What do you think? Also, why are we progressively getting worse and worse lag?
Ah, sign!
I heard my... What?
Yeah, stop. Okay.
He's not moving.
Yeah. Everyone's still trying to load in for me. Okay, I heard it was your birthday, like, a couple of days ago, which I was trying to find you and join on you.
Hold on, your
Happy
avatar's
birthday for
perplexed.
those days ago!
I'll have to show it real quick.
Oh.
Sorry. Okay. Wait, did it just first change you again? Oh, there it is. Okay.
Just some different experience.
Happy birthday!
Thank you!
For those days ago. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to bounce because I have a poor model and kind of don't want to do that word hopping event today.
It's fine.
But yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Happy birthday. Where is my friends?
I'm probably gonna eventually just be coming here when I have things to show off, because it's just like a fuck fest.
I mean, it's getting crazier and crazier. Like, what is Squid doing up there?
Rise of the
What
night.
is going on?
I don't know.
Actually, click on home and I'm still here.
Wasn't this at a meetup like a few months back, or if I just.
I think it was like different, yeah. Or
I don't think we've been to
a
this
Hens
one.
world.
No, there was not a hens version of that. There was definitely a what is it? Aaron had one, but it wasn't like
right,
meme like this. It was just like a bunch of things, like locations connected.
Are we consuming Zoomer memes? Are they going to?
Unless you like funny haha memes.
Oh yeah, don't go in the portal.
Don't go in the portal because it'll teleport you once, and then you'll be like, oh, I don't want to be here, and you'll teleport out, and then it'll teleport you again.
So I'm thinking
There's no words to comprehend what this place is.
I said I'm thinking of
This is the piece of Meetup VRChat. It does not get better.
You're doing what?
All the way down to the final floor.
Wait, sorry?
Oh my goodness.
What'd you say?
I said I'm thinking of making this the new Meetup hub.
Nice. Congratulations, Squid.
Thank
I'm
you.
very scared to walk through this spiral.
Hey, you guys know there's an
Definitely
upstairs portion
gives off
too,
of a vibe.
right? Have you guys ever been to that?
Is it
Oh
upstairs?
yeah, I went up there and explored that. Yeah.
Oh, you need to go upstairs. You need to go upstairs.
Where's upstairs?
There's a cursed stairway.
Come here.
Yeah.
Up the Minecraft stairs.
I like this one, right?
And then
The toilets?
Oh my gosh, there's a whole nother
Alright.
So you know,
You've Queen, you got the outhouse over there. Probably go check that out.
The Shrocks? Well, I guess this is an Avatar world. Okay. Shrek is pushing you out of the outhouse. Okay. You gonna respawn everyone?
Yeah. Over to the side.
Yeah.
You get like a little mini game where you collect goldfish.
You have to actually collect the goldfish?
Oh, goodness, dark.
And get pushed by Shrek?
It's a pen with
There's a gnome pen as well.
What?
Yeah, which makes
Oh my God,
sense.
Look at this world.
You know, both of us have like stream schedules and stuff, so it's hard to like
Let me check the world out first and then to ask pay for my therapy bill.
Well,
Cool.
that was something.
I can't swim. I don't have what they call.
When I was
Yeah, we can.
hens.
I had to go through a lot of like.
When I was just a little guy in high school, I wanted to be cool, so I was smoking drugs with the cool kids. And someone.
Alright, so we've respawned.
And I had no idea what the fuck
Yeah,
was going
we're
on.
waiting.
I'm gonna go ahead and take my world sound back down again and try to gain a little bit of sanity.
This world is giving me nostalgic feelings of that.
I have.
I'm not sure.
It's in the sun.
And come back to the match.
Yeah, it's fine.
Do you need to say this script or you just want to?
Oh, not really.
Never mind.
Yeah, we're good.
Here they are.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
Awesome.
I accidentally rejoined this word. It's not going to show anything off anyway, because there's another person on the list.
I mean, you're next, so.
Really?
What?
But this is Hans's world, and the next one is Lord Casti.
Oh,
Oh,
was
look,
there another one
Constantine.
added? So I'm looking at our.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was
He's
looking
right
at
here.
the.
Oh, so there was somebody invisible that I couldn't
That's what I was
see.
trying to
So, like
say
I was
before
told
I
to add them on,
accidentally-
and I just saw them in the next world.
Alrighty, sorry.
Yeah, they're here now. They're right here. Right here.
Where are they?
Can you see them again? Right behind you.
Oh, yeah, behind you.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, no, not again.
Oh, there you are. Sorry about that. Do you need to explain stuff?
Alright, so
Or
my
do-
turn, yes?
Yep.
Okay, yeah. I do have like a thing to say. Well, basically, it's a world. I like space, and I made a world with space. Well, apparently today is a space theme with some space, and it also has custom music. It's not copyrighted, and it's made by a very interesting person, right, standing right there. So Oh,
Not
do you have your
copyrighted.
music
Feel
on?
free to
Oh,
crank it
okay.
up.
Please just get out of this world.
Yeah, crank
Oh my god.
As soon as my VRChat menu loads.
Are we too close to spawn?
Alright, there we go.
Thank Christ.
Yeah!
Try not to
Let's go.
Try not to fall asleep.
And totally regret.
Try not to fall
I'm not gonna have to
asleep.
use that in your world, you know.
Oh my god.
Why did it kill me?
I wonder if he added anything since actually the build earlier.
Wait.
And that was the Hens World. I've not actually been to that one, but I've been to a bunch of other ones. Just Igbar loves Hens Worlds.
Oh, this is so much nicer than the previous
Oh,
one.
you know, he'd actually say that there.
Gorgeous.
That's very nice. I enjoy your choice of music.
Oh, the credit goes to table
Nice.
right there.
Number two, it's also super nice because it's like a salve on my brain.
Please just accept something out. Send me an invite. I need to get out of here. Oh god, dragging people to that world looks like a world top.
Thank you.
Oh.
About 10 minutes, so
The good news is this
I'm working on more, so it's gonna be about
on my side brain.
Okay.
This is a good. It's a good palate
Rehabilitation.
cleanser.
The ginger of worlds.
I have my friends
Ginger
back.
of worlds.
Also, I got a friend request from Fiona, but I have not seen her. Hello, I'm Constantine.
I'm right here.
Nice to see you.
You too.
Yeah, I've been having a lot of connection issues today, so I keep dropping off.
Is it just me or is a chat catch really slow loading from your drive today on this update?
Yep. No, it's been doing that for like the meetups for a while.
Because
but
Avatar
yeah.
loading is way slower even from the cache.
It is, and I don't know why. But I also
This is the best world to jump off the cliff.
noticed that, so like...
Yeah, this is the best world to
I'm
jump
lagging
into
out.
infinity, by the way. Give that a try.
Cyan, is there a way that I can make Oculus stop installing the home packs? I keep deleting them. They take up 10 gigs that I don't use.
I don't know. I've never actually looked into it.
Colliders? No?
Oh, Jesus. Okay, well, let's explore.
Let's jump off the edge into infinity. Should I be looking down too? How long is this drop going to be? As I just see my own hands like break in front of me thanks to Avatar 3.0.
It's beautiful.
I'm laying on the purple
Fall for a very long time before you fall.
The world being turned into a black hole.
Who has a really deep, calming voice? I want them to just start saying random shit.
It's not me. Go ahead and fly around.
Kizaragi.
Ooh,
Just start
yes.
saying random deep space stuff.
Let's all listen to Kizaragi.
What?
Just start saying random deep space stuff. Like, just say like, in a deep endless void of space, and then just like say stuff like
In a
that.
deep, endless void of space, we have many, many planets. Be it galaxies like the Milky Way, there's so many stars in our galaxy. So many stars in the universe.
Not audio for this.
Not necessarily. Individually.
Kizaragi's voice is perfect. That was a beautiful moment right there.
It was.
I'm gonna clap. I'm gonna clap.
Thank you very much.
Oh, a bow. What a good moment.
Control
You're so shiny.
I gotta go and meet you now.
Wait, you can even stand on the wings? What? Wait, that means you can jump down on that thing and walk around enough?
Yeah, I feel like
You can jump down here?
purple is like the best color combo.
I have not actually explored this world yet, but I think it's just kind of repeating it on the sides.
The fact that there was a mirror on by default and multiple camera screens as soon as you spawn is a bit much.
True.
So,
Why is this use
Could've
udon?
been-
No.
Does it?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Well, I mean, SDK3 versus SDK2.
Yeah. No, it doesn't use anything udon specific. It's just SDK3.
Oh.
Which basically just means, you
I
know,
wonder what
not
the
legacy.
What
was
the
that?
flat cost of a Udon world versus an SDK2 world? What's the...
I mean, you are the one with the capability of finding that out.
True, but I'm wondering if that has been done by the engineers, because we know the cost of Udon behaviors, but as a flat thing...
I mean, is there even, like, I assume there's nothing different. Assume, but, you know, you have to get them to answer.
He booped my nose and I
If there's nothing in it, yeah, that's probably
space.
Commandeering.
Not sure what to do next, but
I need to go back into the app so I can actually see what it feels like.
He's getting kind of aggressive. He's doing some sort of strange T-pose maneuver. I feel very intimidated and scared.
It's
I
one
think
of
he's
those
going
times
to.
where I wish this was a hangout world instead. Even though it's a planetarium,
Sometimes the best
like, I would actually hang out in this world, but it's not really made for that.
I mean, you could still hang out in it. Like, there's nothing stopping you.
True.
We're already doing it now.
There's no cozy place.
Oh, in that sense.
The whole place is a cozy place.
True. I need it.
It's all cozy, always was.
Somewhere to RP sit, you know.
Yeah.
RP sit.
Oh, did you go to the top already?
Oh, it's something that's done.
Well, yeah,
You can go to the top of the orb.
Oh yeah, you can just
If you fall down, it's a long way down.
If you fall down, you can't play the game for like 10 minutes.
It's like, oh, okay, I guess I'm gonna fly through space for a bit.
You can even hear me echo. Like, in my room, it's so big now.
This is way too small.
Yeah, that's exactly how I was barely, you know, like having like 5 feet and that's it.
Go from here.
I used to actually have a play space where I could only get my hands up to here.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was my last apartment. Jeez.
Yeah, look at you now, so free, so free.
Probably don't jump around. It's like 23 o'clock here in an apartment on the 4th floor.
Oh no.
I felt
People are gonna start knocking and be like, stop.
I think, yeah, everyone felt more relaxed.
It's like
in
oh,
the
you can look.
What did you put in your shaders this time, like? You can see, like, your polys through it.
It's actually not my police. It's
Just a simplified version?
I don't have my foot. It's just a capsule.
Oh, I guess I could tell that more from your body instead.
I want to show. I just want.
Yeah.
Single week.
I already have that data in this shader, so that's how I do the vertex deformation. So I just thought it'd be fun to actually show them.
Yeah, and it's not like. I forget.
So
It's gonna be hard showing off the next world when this is the world that has just been shown off.
Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Be like freaking Mario.
So, Mario, you got model.
Do you want me to write you a thing for your world so it's a little more special?
Just got Nene.
Your Visons are not configured. Wait, really?
Don't get
Follow me, my son.
I've shifted focus to a new feature.
Just play
The bed just ran off the world.
Yeah, you click on the
I will
text,
when I
you
can.
get the top button, and the top button turns it
Only
into an actual
issue
black
is
hole.
it's not. It's kind of long, kind of shortish, and it's 30 quid on Epic.
No, I don't like
Cyan?
Yes?
Could you add Varnian to the list?
Sorry, who?
Varnian?
Okay, Varnian. I heard Brian at first, and he's like, I don't recognize that name in here.
Okay. And you said you wanted to speak?
Yeah, I can say something about the world real quick.
Okay.
Or we can also just drop the portal if that's it. I don't really have anything to say, really.
Well, that's an option if you want to do that.
I'm just gonna grab it here then.
Oh, okay.
Inventory meetup.
Yeah, because the other one that's called inventory system is not performance ready for Forge.
No, it's true. No, it's true.
Which it might be, because we don't have many.
Wait, there's buttons back here.
I can go show you my quest.
Yeah, black hole. Yeah, it's crazy.
Sam, did you see that black hole thing?
No, I missed it.
Right now, what I want to do.
This one. The top one.
Some money
Oh, that shader.
on my card so I can buy food.
Sometimes I do stuff and I.
Okay, probably should go to the next world.
Either really late or.
Yeah, on the other side.
Now it's like I have to do extra steps to check if you guys are even commenting.
Pick up, that's all I need.
No one's avatars looking for me.
Oh. Do you wanna give an explanation once people have like started loading in? Oh, where are you going?
What the fuck is this? Hey, Sam, do you want an explanation?
Yes.
Okay, if you press your menu button, a menu appears in front of you with 5 boxes.
It also appears with my jump button. Yes.
Yeah, for some weird reason, it also appears in the A button, and I don't know why on the right controller. But if you grab an object and put your hand inside one of the boxes and let go, the object goes in there. The red objects are synchronized objects, the yellow ones and green ones are not synchronized, and the yellow ones are physical objects.
So wait, the red ones are the synced ones, you said?
Red is synced. You don't include. It's not
Like,
right.
the red objects are synced, but barely anyone can touch them. You can touch them, Ranian can touch them, you can touch them, I can touch him, Fiona can touch them, is there anyone else that can touch them?
Wait, is that like a whitelisted system, or did you just like, it's random?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, for reasons. For reasons.
Okay, that's what you meant. I was like, I don't know why.
That's actually really cool.
Ugly avatar.
Me, I'm confused.
What's gonna happen?
Oh, now it's like this. That one now.
Oh, he
SpongeBob.
History, how does it work? Explain to me your magic.
You got your hand. Hold an object and put your hand inside one of the boxes in the inventory, and it changes color.
Okay, so
That's a chest.
Fernanda is in my inventory, and so it's like.
What?
Oh, somebody grabbed it though.
Wait, I'm so confused.
Okay.
That was actually intentional.
I don't know if you see that.
Exactly, how do we activate it?
So Varnian grabbed the object from my inventory.
Wait, you're using index. Open your menu bar. Click your menu button and it appears.
I can't reach
Oh,
the top
that,
thing.
okay.
How do I...
Works. Okay, interesting. That's actually kind of neat.
The top part of the menu. I've been able to get the items into it. I think I'm not tall enough.
Oh.
Okay.
Should I jump, maybe?
Also working perfect.
How do we put it away?
Ooh. That's not possible currently.
I don't know.
Wait, sit in it and then get stuck in the inventory. Science, sit in this chair.
Now I have to look at this for the rest of my life.
Why am I so broken? So for me, nothing changes visually.
No, Science.
Nothing
So I
changes
use that in
visually
my
for me.
inventory.
So like, if you go open your menu somewhere else, I'll teleport over there.
Seems to be invisible for me.
So now you're here.
Synchronization is slow with
Yes. The object's still like massive on my end though. So like, I can just
Oh.
say
Still
goodbye.
visible. The synchronization is completely broken with this many layers. It looks like.
No, I don't think it's the synchronization.
Let
Well,
me take.
you can just like take objects out of other people's inventories.
But I don't see other people's inventories.
Oh, so you see
Oh, wait,
this,
no,
right?
I do.
You see this?
No. No. I saw it blinking in front of you. A second.
Oh, because this one's still in your inventory. Is this one still in your inventory? Oh, Layuma's in it.
Person on it? Is Layuma's on it? Yeah. Okay.
I don't know where the container is, but it's like.
Yeah, okay, then that's flickering.
So basically, it's in your inventory, and I'm owning it. So then, if you take it out of the inventory, which is like, I guess you have to grab it here. What are you doing? You stabbing me? Oh, fight over here. Grab this object. Like the collider's here.
Got it.
So I'm just gonna take that, put it in my inventory. This is now in my inventory, and you can grab it out of my inventory.
That's because the synchronization is really fucking slow right now because of this many players.
Thanks, VRChat.
Is everything synced?
Yeah, thanks, VRChat. I was kind of expecting that, and that's why the synchronized objects were whitelisted only.
Okay, that makes sense.
What's synced and what isn't?
Only the red object.
It's not.
Only the red object.
So I went. What does it mean to put a synchronized object in your inventory? And all they gave me was this.
Then if you put your hand
I don't think it's working as intended, so I don't know what it means either.
those boxes, it turns green. And if you let go,
So for me, it's like I can grab this and like stick it in the inventory, and then that just basically means whenever I open the inventory, it just appears over there. But it's broken. I don't know how it's
also
supposed.
did that.
Yeah, I don't know what it's supposed to do. Okay, so if syncing were working properly, what would happen if I took the synced object and stuck it in my inventory?
So
it would turn to scale 000 for everyone else.
So it's just it would pretty much disappear for everybody.
Because I don't want to completely disable it because that's gonna break synchronization of position objects.
Actually, are you sure if that's like has anybody tested that?
I'm just gonna assume it's.
I don't know, but I was assuming it, so just
like
did
if
this.
If you can turn off game objects and sync their position.
Yes. Like, do you know if that happens? I don't know.
I have a world where you buy stuff and the game objects are off and they teleport and then turn on, and it seems to sync with all the players because it's like a multiplayer thing. So I think if a game object's off, you can still move it and sync the position because the transform is still there with an off game object, I think.
Cyan, whose world is this?
It's mine.
Okay, so I'm curious, what was the object of creating this world? What do you do here besides put stuff in inventory boxes?
That was basically the concept of it, and that's the concept
It's
I've been
proof of
working
concept.
This is a tech demo showing off his genius. I didn't know you could make worlds and stuff, Nostru.
This is neat. Some of the stuff works for me, some of the stuff doesn't.
Yeah, there's some weird things.
Welcome to VRChat, guys, where all the Sims are.
Hey, Squeaky.
I also somehow broke the knife. Nobody on the whitelist can pick up the knife.
Where's the knife?
No one?
Of course, now we all have to go die.
Watch it that one person can, and then all of a sudden everybody kills
The
it.
knife is for the bird. Everyone, excuse me.
Wait, if someone picks up this knife, that means they're the imposter. Yeah, that's something like that. You gotta watch this knife.
How does this pick up the
Why are you trying to kill me with these?
No. You see, that is not how it's done. This is how it's done.
I can't get out of this.
How long ago did that start?
Nostru, are you doing STK 2 or 3?
Fiona, let me in the box.
This is written in them.
Take off the box.
Like, I can actually say this now. It works with any kind of VRC pop object in a world.
I was stuck in.
So it doesn't need like any special logic on the object?
Nope.
Nice. Can't say the same for STK2.
Wait, what am I grabbing? What is this thing here?
And that was the entire point of this, to make it as universal as possible.
To make it easy and, you know, distributable kind of thing, or just like you wanted it easy to use and expand it?
Yeah, because I'm gonna share this at some point when some of the bugs have been squished and stuff.
When VRChat fixes updating or networking.
Yeah, Fiona, I blame you for me making this.
You're welcome.
I take it the old inventory
You're
chest.
the one that said inventory system.
My ancient inventory system.
The one that used
layer combinations. That one.
That's local then, right?
Yeah, you said something about inventory system at some point at a meetup, and I was like, I want to make that, and I said it. Here it is. In a prototype. I don't know if you heard Fiona, but it works. Oh wait, Fiona.
Yeah.
What? No, I'm here.
Oh, okay. Fiona, it works with any VRC pickup object in a world, without any extra stuff.
Oh, neat.
Yeah. That was the point of it, to make it work with any kind of pickup object.
So you don't have to put special scripts on every pickup. You just make the inventory and it works with all pickups.
Actually, if I tell you now, none of the non-synchronized objects have an udon behavior in them. Only the red ones to synchronize the position and to use the whitelist script.
Wait, that's true. How much udon have you done? I'm like so surprised right now. I didn't know you were, because this is pretty deep udon stuff right here.
Nah, I don't feel like it's too deep.
It's decent. Like you're into there.
It's not knowing anything about Unity.
At all.
The hardest part is not knowing Unity? How did you build this without knowing Unity? Oh wait, are we being portaled? I think, yep, we're being portaled.
Oh, I totally missed that. Okay.
Oh, wow, I didn't even hear it.
This is really cool, no shit, good job.
Yeah, you'll be in someone's stream, that's for sure. Hot tub, destroy.
Someone's stream, it's like, I don't know. February, I haven't really been anywhere, so...
Oh my god, every time I bring the menu off the inventory, it's just been my face. Oh, well, you guys know new people.
By a beautiful inventory system. It will be missed.
Some more photogrammetry here from Lun. I remember him saying something about this being like a really high poly world that has like great frames on Quest. Now, obviously, we're on PC, so I can't confirm that, but we'll see what it's like on PC. I assumed he would say something about it first.
I think one is the master.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah, because it looks really nice.
Like one of the blocks has gravity on it.
Maybe that literally fell out of my inventory when I was
Really needs custom audio fallouts to make it sound like underground.
Wait.
Yeah, I agree. That would be nice.
Oh, is that the 0 point? Because I just hear people down there.
Yeah, I hear people down there as well.
I think it's just 0. They haven't spawned yet for us.
Oh my god, can we use the skateboard?
Yay. Can you even stand on bottles? There's a bunch of
this world. There's a bunch of really cool tricks I'm using here.
Just go ahead and give the tour / description.
Yeah, sorry, you're all still loading for me. So this is lit mostly with spherical harmonics, but I'm not using bakery or anything like that. So this is just manually placed light probes. There's a stack of 3 of them for every transition. So as you walk around each area, the ambient light's a bit darker. I got another version coming, but as you move out, you should be lit correctly, using both the light map from the light itself and also the fact that I'm doing 3 light probes this way. And then they're very carefully placed, so you'll actually pick up where the color is. If you come over this way, there's a good example.
You could try the add-on magic.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Just don't fall off the map. I haven't fixed that yet. The plan is rideable skateboards in Udon. But this, you'll notice you'll go quite yellow when you come through here.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm yellow like my true natural color.
And this should work with almost all shaders. Yeah, this should work properly with most shaders too. So.
I guess I'm getting forced.
Nowhere. This is What is this? I think this light map is maybe
This
this
is
light map is maybe
ERP
64.
chamber.
It's like 64 by 64 light map. But out here, the reason why I dragged you guys up here, this is a skybox I actually pulled down from Google Drive. From Google Maps, just took a 360 panel sphere, turned it into a skybox. This is the actual place, so if you look that way, it's oriented to be correctly. And then, as soon as I can, I'll get vehicles working again and have skateboards and you can ride around on them. There is a smooth map underneath it, so I took the original photogrammetry scan and I did a very large smooth, and it's like 6% of the polygons. That runs that is the surface of the rest of it. So it's all smooth enough that you could skateboard on it and not get like clipped off of some random sharp vertice like this. And if you're getting good frames, this map is 5.1 million verts.
Yo, so how do you do this to my map? Hello?
This is also Quest compatible
Has
too.
like 200 million.
Oh wow.
Please help.
Assuming the Quest one is not 5 million?
No, it is. Yeah.
The Quest one would have to be less, I assume.
Nope, 5 million polys. And it's fine. Works fine.
Hold on, I loaded slow. Where are we? What country are we in? Where are we at? You always take us somewhere slow.
Welcome to LA.
It's London. It's actually really close. It's really close to where the other it's really close to where the other map that I've done, the other photogrammetry map that I did is. This is a Creative Commons. This is a Creative Commons.
Where in London?
It's like Waterloo Station area.
Oh, okay.
My foot.
Is this like from some area in Europe?
It's in Great Britain. Yep.
That's amazing.
Oh, no kidding.
Look at the name of the building.
Is London a part of Europe?
Yep. But yeah, so this is the light map is pretty small. It's an 8K texture, just one of them. It's set to RGB with no compression, trilinear filtering, and that's about it. Pretty good. But good performance. There is a directional light, but it's set to 0, so it's there for directionality, but it doesn't actually cost anything. And there's no indirect bounce except for the stuff coming off of this. And then the last lighting technique. What was the other thing I did? Oh, it's got ambient occlusion and stuff. All that's baked in there.
Are you gonna add an echo to this?
Probably, once we can have that again. All of this, by the way, these photos were taken 3 days ago. So this is accurate as of 3 days ago. Yeah. This literally came up and I started working on it. Jin tipped me off on Twitter and I started working on it within 2 hours of it being released, and then that was pretty much it.
That were here that are like gone now. They were here at the start of the meeting.
Are they hiding over there? Oh yeah, the other thing is that it's only got a 20 meter draw distance in the reference camera, and then I'm using a linear fog pass to just hide the clipping. So you're not actually having to render all the millions and millions of verts. It's just what you're looking at. It's all occlusion called and stuff. So good frames.
Awesome.
That sign over
That's
there,
all the map is right now.
I actually went over there to read it.
What's really
Yes, I'm talking about frames. The objects that were like this in the world was actually window frames, because frames.
Frame jokes.
You can use Blender to do like
It was intentional.
And that's what I do. Now when you show
I'm not sure if anybody would comment on that.
All frame, but I didn't do that.
My other one is a bit smoother as well, but this one I've left most of the imperfections there. I've gotten rid of some of the double vertices and stuff. But because things like the fences tend to go
I
away.
have dynamic bones on.
Oh, just payback for the time slapped.
Stuff like that's been slightly punched by accident, so stuff can be smoothed.
Yeah, I can just disappear if we go too serious with it. Yeah.
What's the shader on the map?
Like this?
Oh,
jeez. Like, picture you're looking at it in Blender and you're kind of in mesh mode. How close are the rooms?
Yep.
With something like
They're very close. It looks like
I don't know the
solid
answer to this
wood.
question, Octo.
So,
The burritos would go bad before I eat them, so it's like, I guess the, you know.
Oh shit, it's Laka's dad. That's your uncle.
What am I using? This is
That's
Legacy
dad, that's uncle.
Diffused. Unlit.
Oh my god.
Look, there's dad, and there's uncle. Hell yeah.
Wait, which one is
You can
uncle?
use a cell phone camera.
Uncle
but you
Kuza.
want ideally
Uncle Lakuza, what do you mean? That's Uncle Lakuza.
Where'd he go?
Wait, Lakuza's invisible for me now.
Yeah.
Uncle Lakuza.
Oh, the Kuza's like
It doesn't have.
missing
It doesn't have a
avatar
light map,
again.
and there's a light map on top.
I don't know why that keeps
of
happening.
harmonics. So that's why you get lighting in here.
That's uncle, bro.
Oh, it's a bit darker. It's
That's my uncle.
it should be because
That's my dad.
this version that I uploaded has a slightly darker version.
Wait.
Ryan, you have such a large family.
Apparently I do.
Do you have to delight the photos?
So that means that Mihamsky's your brother.
I don't. I didn't do any lighting. I used
Brother?
the lighting to generate the lighting. So I took the map.
How does this make you feel?
I took the emission and I increased it. So I increased the emission. I used a shader that's emissive. So all of the light probes
Fucking
in.
Mihamsky,
And
my
then
brother stole my
baked the color of all of the surfaces into the light
Sad
probes.
times.
And the light probes are very
So that's
carefully
how I can
placed.
see everyone.
So the light
top
probes are
of
very
the.
Len over here doing some big brain shit, bro.
You'll see color from the walls will actually transfer on
Large nugget.
if you have the right shading.
I don't possess such a thing.
Mobile shader don't have this map as well.
Huh? Hello?
Hi. Could I ask that you please switch to an avatar that's just medium performance or better during
I
the
use a mobile shader from the SDK. And
Say less.
How many rows are left? I'll long just join now.
One, I think. I think there's.
Is it two now?
I think there's this in Koala, I think.
No, Koala and
Wait, someone had a
yeah,
map?
we added another one.
Oh.
head of this
There you
guy
go,
over
Square.
there doesn't see because
Yeah, I wasn't trying to live. I was
I'm
showing
gonna
that
go explore around. I don't think I saw all of the areas here.
Yeah, that's the way. Lakuza's been ages. It's been ages.
I know.
So, for example, very neon.
feel like the last time I saw you in
but the
game,
head's
you still had
probably on the
your cape on.
transparency shader.
Is it better?
Wait,
Oh yeah.
Some character are they just put transparency on the whole character.
Oh yeah, but no, I hope that they make a longer story.
Yeah, it was a bit short, but it was so good.
Sucks. I got called out. I got called out for being a
worried about it.
Wow, this place looks super tight. If you had like Cyan, Fiona, or one of them, or Squid caught me out.
Yeah.
Yeah, they would have. Squid's the host.
No, I just like.
Yeah.
It wasn't Squid caught me out for having a bad avatar, so I switched over.
Yeah, I was vibing.
Yeah. I have you shown so I wouldn't have recognized that you were.
No, it's one mesh. But it's culling. The whole thing is no. The camera draw distance is only 20. Yeah, the far distance is only 20.
I don't.
Yeah,
What?
so what?
Does that actually affect it?
Doesn't look like it's culling right now.
It does. Yeah, it works for me. So it does seem to work. So I mean, I don't know.
I would expect
it's always worked for
yeah.
me.
Okay, so that's
Yeah,
that
it
sounds
calls
like
the
something to
players.
test
It
in the
calls
players. Yeah, it calls
Yeah, try
players.
it because you can see it in my
very
other
far
map
away.
too. Because you can see all the way to the back. So if you back up, you'll see them disappear, right?
No,
So,
it calls the players, but it doesn't call.
the other side of the map. So
Yeah, I wasn't saying that you.
But yeah, you can see it. If you're clipping a wall or you're actually, if you have an occluder, it should just block them completely. Yeah. Stick your head in there, you'll see. They're gone.
oh,
Wait, no, it'll call the players, but it's not calling the geometry.
it's not the distance. Yeah.
No, yeah, it's just sort of there. Yeah.
It'll cull the geometry at the very edge. If I got all the way to the
Yeah.
opposite side, I can see it cull
That's
a little
right.
bit,
Yeah.
but just
It
barely.
should do it. It should do it. Like it's always worked for me. So.
Yeah, it just could be like if you're gonna set the fog that aggressive, you can probably
Yeah,
make it more
the
aggressive.
map is only 30 meters wide.
Yeah.
And at the same time,
Hold on, oh my god. I do
Alright.
believe that because we were
The idea is to have as little geometry being that you have because there's so many colors, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, you're fine. Just a warning and tell how
I should actually chop them into quadrants. I will do that next, but
Yeah, for occlusion.
and then use culling properly. I just haven't done it yet.
I'm curious to see how
I'll
much
just cut
that
the mesh.
actually
I'll just cut
changes
the mesh in the quads.
rendering itself.
It seems to help. I mean, the performance in here is really good. So, especially with this many players, like I'm not feeling any lag. So, there's something about doing it this way that seems to work really well. I always try to, take the one variable I can't control. So I try to reduce the load from that.
Never.
Okay. Hi everyone, and it's nice seeing everyone once more at the community. It's nice seeing everyone once more at the community meetup, and I know that right now we're going through some really tough times during the past few months, but I hope everyone has pulling through and staying safe and abiding by the government laws if you have according to their changes and necessary kind of push to get people to not to go around and kind of like spread around unnecessarily, and only to go out when you need to, and make sure you stay in touch with your loved ones but not couple up with them. That's what the technology is there for these days. We have so much so many solutions out there that I really hope you're using said solutions. In any case, the world that we're going to move on to is a little something I put together while I was having a bit of a break from the Motorstorm world that I'm working on. So we'll be heading to like a little sci-fi kind of off-world base. If for the sake of the volume though, if you set it to 50% for now, there's no copyright music or such, it's just ambience. But set it to 50% for now and then adjust accordingly if you wish. According to what suits you and what works for you basically. It's pretty much you can go anywhere. There's nothing basically, there's no triggers or such. It's meant for like kind of an exploration. You just get to see the base, see the scene and all that. And if you have any questions or suggestions, look for this. It's not that difficult. And I guess I'll go ahead and drop a portal, and I hope you guys have a wonderful time. Much love to everyone.
All right.
Clap.
Yeah, why not?
So that kept freezing for me. When anyone's having issues?
I don't think I can see
issues. No.
Okay.
No.
Master bug, possibly, maybe?
I thought Lund was master.
Who even knows?
I don't know. I haven't opened the debug thing.
I turned it off because apparently it lags you.
Well, I have it on right now, but I don't want to click the keys.
I'm sorry,
could you add Jinte, Jinte?
Yep. Okay. I'll do that.
I think, yeah.
We're just my phone.
Oh no, okay, no.
What did I just do with my phone? There's my phone. Big world, but I guess that's why it's towards the end.
Bunch of people here, and it's actually decent FPS. It's impressive with this amount.
I was hearing decent FPS, but I was like below 10. But I think that was just initializing all the players.
Yeah, it's like I'm at a solid 50 at least. My PC's pretty bad, so.
I'm at 40 right now. Or...
I like first impressions matter. I like this.
Hi.
Jump is paid DLC.
So worried at first.
I can't tell. I'm so worried. Is this fake lighting or is this real time?
It looks big.
Probably has to be baked. It's detailed.
I can't tell.
Most definitely.
I gotta go pick up a meal again.
All the lights are baked if people are asking. Actually, there's just the one light.
Oh, okay. Okay, I see. Cool.
Cool.
Oh no.
I see your people already flying. Why are people flying? I didn't put one yet because every time I put a world together, my big concern is performance. So once I nail down performance on the basics, then I start adding the bells and whistle, if you will.
Right. Okay. Fair enough. It still looks great.
Thank you. I'm actually expecting Rubik to come shout at me about ambient television.
Driving vehicles when?
Cyan, we're in danger.
Driving vehicles?
Look how close the moon is to us.
Anyone would be able to, given this small space.
It might not be close, it just might be really big. Yeah, it is. Look how close they are.
All the vehicles.
Sorry?
The shaders, the materials on the cows, something's wrong.
Yeah. I really, I tried to rectify the issue before tonight, and it seems they need a little more investigation than I thought, and I didn't have time by the time I saw this mess, and I thought, okay, I'll have to like make do with what I have. But on the next, like, I'm definitely gonna fix these.
I like this.
It has collision though, so that's nice. I can stand on top of it.
But yeah, the lighting's good and the performance is good. You know what's funny? I still get like 30-ish frames in there, but for whatever reason, it doesn't feel as slow. And I don't know what it is. There's something about it that makes it just run good. Maybe you're not doing a lighting calculation pass or something, and maybe it just doesn't feel bad. Maybe that's all it is. I'm pretty sure.
What? I can't go to my home world. Magic trick. Except it's not working. I pressed. Yeah, particularly the giant ships. I wish you could do more, but it's still awesome.
Used to just be drop in and do done. You just literally drop it in.
My head is between my legs.
I should take that
backwards.
With
I've read
cables,
Paranoia.
and that would be it, right?
Oh, I'm a risk.
But
I'm broken.
the animation is broken because
Oh, yeah, I
there's
took your
so
spot.
many
Wait, no, I
animators you
didn't.
can use,
Oh,
I think.
shit.
You didn't.
So
There we go.
the last updates.
Whee!
I only have 4 avatars left. Save.
Anyway, Con, can you see all this?
It's all good. I can't bring out my main because people are
Constantine.
Yes.
You see all this?
Yep.
Yeah. This
Sad
is what I
times.
want from the castle.
I mean, this is either from a prefab or from a game, like from a pack or from a game. Like if I can model all of this, sure, but maybe next year I'll be done. Yeah, pretty much.
Scope creep.
I mean, yeah, I mean it's simple hard surface sculpting, not sculpting, like modeling. That's easy. I mean, making a tree is harder by hand than making.
Yeah, if we made the
those.
castle look this good, we really wouldn't be able to publish a map for another year or so.
That he has better ones.
Yeah, so it's either I find prefabs or use my hand. So there's
The
that.
avatar is scaled to my body.
Look, can you do me a favor and turn around real quick?
You already are.
But I really love the space elevator in the background. That looks so
You
awesome.
have. I can't.
I'm proud of performance.
It's good.
You had me stuck in that silo for a bit because I couldn't jump and there was like a little rim.
What?
That's a fuel tank.
Same thing, same thing. You light blue bastard, shut up.
Try to also
How are
make
people getting
it
up there, though?
possible for people to get in the transport ship here.
Yeah, I gotta do that.
For some
Ooh.
reason, I can't get the flooring of that ship to respond properly. Basically, what ended up happening was people just stopped.
You mean kind of like this?
Like I started just sinking into it. So I'm gonna have to create a kind of a collider of its own for this specifically, so people can actually get in and be in the ship and all that kind of stuff. For the time being, though, I kind of bossed it in a way.
I'm very sad. I'm not using the Vive as much anymore because I've got a quest 2 on the way.
I also wanted to add one ship to actually come down here to pick up the generator on the top here that goes back and forth. But a time constraint didn't allow me to actually do that before the meetup, so I said I'll leave it on the rails for now, and then for the next time I'll make it come over and kind of pick it up and take it to the orbital elevator.
Yeah, the elevator looks so awesome though. Epic.
And I was looking for
Hi,
dust
Dad. Bye, Dad.
particles, nobody told me where to find one, or else told me to go to the desert.
Wait, what now?
Bottle up sand.
I was looking for a sandstorm particle.
Oh.
And Orals was like, you'll find it in the desert, and I was like, oh, haha.
Oh, that. Now I remember reading that.
You'll see it in World PC Development.
I guess the tag to search for it would be sandbox.
No,
sorry.
Actually, I'd be looking for. Why would people make fun of me like these?
I'll show myself out. Is this from a game though, or is all custom made or
No. So the main base you're in is from an acid pack. But what I did was, instead of using the acid pack's example, I literally took pieces and built my own kind of the design and everything with them.
Oh, so you did kit bashing.
Yes, that's what I was going to say. It very looks similar, no?
Say the line.
I wanted to say, yeah, it's kind of like kit bashing, but the thing is, if it was kit bashing, then I wouldn't have to spend so much time on parts to make it work, like those pipes coming across between the sidewall and the building there. That's not how the pipes are supposed to be used.
Oh, okay.
I don't think it matters where it's supposed to be used. That's how you find out you want to use them.
But I mean,
I know where those pipes go, but it's supposed to be under a grating, under a concrete floor, going past those panels that are on the wall, and then they connect up to a large cable, which is the ones that you see on the right here. There are two kind of generators for the base, like a power generators, and it has multi cables going between them. Again, not the way I'm supposed to be using those cables, but I literally took the pieces and I said, okay, let me design it the way I want to design it, and then I ended up with that part there wasn't supposed to exist. This happened literally 3 days ago.
So it's like they gave you a Lego model for something that was pre-built, and you just broke it and built your own thing out of it.
Yeah. I didn't have to break it. It came to me in pieces.
Oh, so someone made something out of Legos and broke it themselves and gave it to you? This is very confusing.
This is what I just told the other person just now. Was when with that acid pack, I was like, out of curiosity, I was like, I want to see what the example scene looks like. And then my editor struggled to keep up with what's going on. There's way more detail in that one, and if I tried to do something like that for VRChat would explode.
Understandable.
All the servers would just go down immediately.
So what I have to do is literally use the pieces in such a way where it's as complex as what the example was showing, but I wanted to make sure the performance was also on par with keeping everyone happy. There was what I was supposed to do. I was supposed to have a bridge walkway from there. You can see it's not even complete. It stops right at the elevator, and it's supposed to cross up to there, and you're supposed to be able to actually go up there and walk across to the next space. But then I thought, if I did that, and this world's already at 2:45, then I better leave it at this. Leave this non-functional, and I'll just see how this goes first. And it seems to be going well. So I think I will go ahead and probably actually make that elevator work. How are we, Rubik, or anyone actually, who's making worlds? How are moving platforms and players now? Do we fall through the floor and such, or is it okay?
You can do up and down, not just on the side.
I think
Or you do down.
up and down is okay.
On the wheel.
Yeah.
Because where you're standing right now is exactly what I want to move up and down.
Yep. Up and down
So
works,
basically-
the side doesn't.
So basically, you take this, you go up, there's a walkway up there, cross to the second section of this base, and it'll be different stuff. I was planning to put a massive kind of, reservoir for water storage and nuclear waste. I know those two don't go together very well, but go with it, just roll with it. And there'll also be some other cargo drops and such on that side. This side is mostly kind of for workers to come in or visitors to check in at the office, and that's what this ship is for. It brings them in, or get brought in by the buses that are parked on the loading zone on the left side. And that's why when you guys spawned now, you actually spawned next to those buses, you guys are the visitors and you can take them out of it.
Oh, okay.
The players, so.
I'm still doing more details to help you out.
Take a picture of it.
I know, nice to meet you too. I'm
all the
happy
way
to see
back.
you. I was kind of wondering if you were going to show up, but I didn't see you earlier.
I joined pretty late. I joined on the last one, I think.
Oh, I'm on Seated Play.
Gotcha,
No
gotcha.
wonder
That's
I
pretty
was
fucking cool.
Yeah, I'm surprised that you've been.
Over here, guys. Can we all
I
gather around
usually
Brian
always
real
spend
quick?
Sundays editing, so I can never make it to any of these. But I had a few videos.
Okay, good afternoon to everyone. Hopefully you're all having an awesome Sunday. So, video players. We now have video players that can be controlled with Udon. And as that has happened, I have started tackling the challenge of allowing complete teams to work on event production like music venues, just have DJs, LDs, VJs work together for in making just awesome events for VRChat, and that is something very close to my heart. So I want to drive this forward, and right now what I have to show to you is a music player that is inspired by Spotify. So basically, since we have the limitation of the VRC URL, I kind of just have to have a few workarounds. So I need to use an editor extension to basically predefine the songs that I want to use on the player. But that's that. So if you're streaming, you can safely play my own songs.
What are you guys doing?
On the player, there is a playlist on the left side named after me. So if you're streaming, you can safely play the songs. But if you're not streaming, you can safely play any of the songs and just try the player out and see how it works for yourself. The player is local. There is no syncing enabled right now because we are so many people. But let's go see what it's all about.
Yeah.
Yay!
Let's go.
My money. I have one question. Why does your voice sound so nice?
Y'all are ridiculous.
That's a very nice sounding compression.
bunch of people in snow.
Wow.
Oh my god. Alright, here we go. One more time.
If you want my recommendations for my own playlist, Lollipop, Set Me Free, Destiny, and Our Revolution.
I can't play any of these.
Some party Kickstarters here.
Neon stuff is free.
I wouldn't have think that something called
not
Lollipop
copyrighted.
had been in a minor key.
Menu on the left is pretty small.
I'm gonna be the last person who is gonna copy strike. I promise.
And I can't close it because my.
I can't wait for the copy strikes. Oh no.
Global. This
I'm just gonna sit here and pretend it's
Did you fix it so you can change the playlist?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
If you have a song playing and you just want to listen to that song, just please just move somewhere else so everyone else can see the UI. Because it's kind of crowded.
This is alright.
I would love it if this actually followed your menu whenever you open it, like that whole thing. Be all on your. I don't know if that's possible. I don't know the limitations of Udon. I'm experimenting with it, but it would be neat.
Oh.
It's possible, right?
This is very nice. I dig this. I cannot hear anything. Is it normal?
There's
nothing playing for me.
You used to play it yourself. Yeah, it's local.
What country you're from?
It's local.
If you have a slider on the right side,
What country you're from?
if you have it anything else, then
It's still not playing for me even when I click play.
Yeah, what country are you from?
I'm in the UK.
Oh, weird. Even when you try to play them from the Valiant playlist. Weird.
What is that?
Pretty
cool. And also one note, if some songs are going to be restricted in
I
your
can now play.
local area, if the loading bar is stuck on the right side, then just wait for 30 seconds. It's going to refresh again, and it's just going to say fail to load the song. And then you can try again.
Madness.
Really good. You know what?
That's pretty awesome.
Awesome.
Really good.
So this is just a video, or sorry, this is just a music player. So all it's doing is like he has a list of. There's a bunch of wording on this. He's basically making a playlist system, I suppose. So he's specifying, I guess, the YouTube URL, I guess the artist and the name, and then you just download them. And it's just playing it through a video player. So it is not just a general web panel. Like I think he made all the UI to like just call that. I don't expect web panels to ever be back, but people will definitely try faking it.
Basta.
Oh. It's kind of weird because if I move the screen, everything.
I literally started catching the flu since yesterday.
Oh, that's a lot of songs.
You could easily set it up to use the arrow keys on the keyboard then.
No, that's what I don't want. If you're in desktop mode, it just changes the lace while you're locomotion.
Yeah, no, not WAS. You'd want
If I
the
had
arrow
my
keys or
Spotify
something.
playlist in the world, I don't think I'd ever leave.
Yeah, also, just like the drivable cars, this is something that I'm planning to release pretty soon, when I'm gonna get at the
So like, your avatar, is it supposed to
I'm
be
also
like
gonna release
Nintendo
the
64
Mini
kind
Editor
of style?
extension, which can
Dreamcast. It was a game called Stars of Arcadia.
from
Oh, yeah?
So do that model, but then I've modeled the hands and face, and then
Oh, that's so
repaint the
cool.
textures. It's like really low res, but I am working on a newer, like higher poly one.
Oh, are you?
But yeah, it'll take me a while because I need to get the face right. I have posted on it on Twitter with the color and stuff.
Oh, gotcha.
But
I'll
I
have to go take a look and
more,
find it.
yeah.
might be a little bug.
It's more
can you
like
see anything
Final
with loading
Fantasy
bar,
dimensions, I
green
guess.
text, or anything
So it's less goofy, like this one is right now. But I've been using this for so long, since the site. I think I made this before I actually started. playing, like to specifically wear this avatar. Yeah, it's on like one of my favorites of childhood games.
Are you able to see what caused the error on the Udon behavior? On the logs?
Yeah, I made my mature
I would need to have the logging enabled.
That's happened to me a few
Oh,
times.
okay.
There's no escaping. Are you okay?
No song.
Just fucking sneezed and then died. You'll have that one sneeze. That one sneeze is absolutely obliterates you.
Like I was saying in the DM, I actually like myself started dying from all the money emojis.
I remember when people actually
So bad. That's so bad.
There we go. The best way to the best thing you do when you sneeze is you build it up and then you scream when you sneeze.
Someone the fucking bed.
I just try. I'm really bad. I'm one of those people who like hold in my sneezes. I don't want to be loud, and so I like hold it in. It's not even actually come out. You know?
Yeah.
Sometimes you'll be saying me, not
I thought making like coding and making assets and stuff was good enough. You know how to make music too.
Sometimes people ask me if I sneeze.
Modeling, programming, graphical design, music production, video production. Then, by education, I'm a carpenter. I used to be a fire truck mechanic. When I was 19. CNC mechanic. Now I'm basically just working on optimizing factory workflow and CNC automation. And
Automation?
Robots.
Stuff is gonna take your job? Damn.
Hey, Cyan. How many worlds are there after this?
Only one left.
In real life, I just want to make people happy in a VR chat.
I don't know if G2 is back yet.
Like I said earlier, this is something I want to do.
I'm like so bad because there are so many
Okay,
different
I usually build it, so reproing that stuff is.
What is that?
I usually broke it again in desktop. Select something while running, and then the actual song.
It's actually crazy. Lots of grams. Yeah, I feel like I don't know. My model still needs a lot of work to reach like my standards, like where I want to be. So I've been spending a lot of time like trying to work on that kind of remake it into like nice and stuff. And then I want to go.
I haven't played all the songs yet.
Especially because like the eyeline and the eyebrows is so like steroid right now. It's like okay, I kind of want to get right some of the stuff. But yeah, but that's the problem is that I have so many different models and so many different programs. So if I change one, I have to go update all of them, and it's such a pain in the butt to do that. So I'm gonna wait until I get one really good
There
model.
are like ways to do a slider control by Udon. Actually, well, no, it depends on like performance settings. Because lighting in general can be really difficult because you want to
Yeah, Feared is
If you don't care about baking, it can be easy.
That's the whole reason I didn't really like playing this stuff is because like I know nothing about 3D like modeling or you know I knew nothing about Blender or Unity going into like the VRChat and stuff, but I just made an avatar and then I was like, how can I like what can I do with this? And that's how I did the because I made the model first. Yeah. It's a lot.
I just let that fall off and jump off the map. Try jumping off the map.
Games and I spent like way too long.
Honestly, if you think about it, like if you
I know Table. Why do you know my friends?
I tried adding you. I was the camel thing.
When?
The fall nice, right?
Yeah. When I was talking about the fall for the video player or the fall for like players, because it's always just nice for you to like quiet.
No, the fall off for the video player was pretty nice.
I gotta turn it up and try it again then.
16 gigs of RAM, 8 gigs
But
of
when we started VRChat there.
Dying.
I need audio piece. It feels like all the worlds we've been in they've been just so crowded and
Yeah. I mean, that could also just be VRChat. Just large group, small world.
yeah, that too. I want one voice at a time. Nice, quiet, chill.
Oh, we're being quieted.
We have another thing to do?
Over here, guys. Over here, guys.
Oh, Jinte.
Morning everyone. Even though it's probably Sunday night for y'all. This is the first time me doing this, so bear with me on this.
Bro, there's a lot of people here. Holy shit.
I suppose. I'm working on a world, but it's not.
Did they crash?
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, they're back.
Oh, stop getting in their face, that makes them lag.
I knew, I'll just.
Okay, let's just assume we're going to a cool world, everybody.
Yeah, let's just go.
Let's go.
That's all it is. Oh, sorry, it was in your face.
I really need a new computer.
Hey, Vexum.
Oh no, if it's cars, then we're about to have some fun. Especially if it's been making it.
I hear it too. I don't know who's talking about train.
Work with me. Are you alive?
Which might actually be personal.
Feel opposed.
Don't walk in front.
Don't walk in front of him.
Walk in front.
Yeah, I will. But not yet.
Did Jenny okay?
No, it is crash.
That'd be a great time to remind people about optimized avatars.
Yeah.
Actually, that is true.
Hello, DBJ and Mons.
Yeah, I'm about to switch. Yeah, I'm going back.
I'm gonna ask them to come back in, just drop a portal immediately, just in case they crash.
So I'm kind of scared to do it again.
No.
I don't.
Alright, time to pull back out my ball.
But I also have some
Hungry. So hungry. I have half a burrito in my fridge, and that's all I can think about.
At least you can think about eating it.
Yeah. No, yesterday I think I probably ate about 500 calories yesterday total. Today I'm gonna eat all the food. I'm gonna eat cheesecake. I'm gonna eat burritos. I'm gonna get some Advil and get rid of this headache. Lots of things. I want to model the plants. How silly can I make them?
I'm not sure yet. Because remember, this stuff to be optimized. Like everything is.
Oh yeah.
Atlas.
Wait, Well, obviously, I can't. Yeah. Low poly, everything under. Actually, I don't know if 2018 cares if every single object is under 300 verts or not, but definitely can do that. Do you know? Is that a limitation?
That was only for dynamic batching, which not static batching.
Oh, good point. Good point. I don't know, like how. Okay, you wouldn't put it as train details. You would probably make a script to randomly scatter, I assume.
I mean, I don't even use terrain right now.
Yeah. I'm not going to manually place them.
I expected that.
You're the guy that did the Maze Toys world. Bob?
Oh, there he is. He's back.
Where they fuck off to.
And then if your hands are within this inventory,
Trying to.
I see it.
Yay!
Alright, we're going anyway. Here we go.
Oh, no, she's giving me a photo for me. Oh, no, she's working for me. She's a photo.
Alright, one.
Whoa, cows!
Cars!
Cars.
Oh, two.
Right.
Oh, I love this. Oh, you can. Yeah! Wait, no. Wait. This is confusing. Oh, wait, not British cars. Right? I don't know.
Yep.
I can't remember. Okay, good. Oh,
Ciao!
This PS1 style car, I love it.
Oh man.
This car drives on the wrong side of the.
Is there a
interior on this pup is real nice.
Is there an interact?
Oh my god.
We playing one game. Look at all the room. There's so much leg room. What are you talking about? Look at that front space.
Beautiful. God, this is my dream car.
Nice.
I'm a mechanical engineer.
Oh my god.
Wait a minute, there's no gas in the car.
You forgot to turn on the engine.
It doesn't even have gas in it.
It's electric.
No, they all look the same to me.
Listen.
The song is a.
Yeah, it's a classic. Daytona.
Oh my god, I used to play this like crazy as a kid.
What song is this? I can't hear it, it's too loud.
It's the theme song of Donna USA. Leaking. Leak.
So quiet.
Oh, wait, what? Because apparently the computer normally uses the VRChat. Basically just like fucks it up for Sumo.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's this one.
I haven't really set it really low. I haven't really set it really
When I
low.
was a kid on Sunday,
Yeah, you're good. I just have it really set.
turn on
It's set on like 5
TV, and
megabytes.
just like it would be on for hours, and I'd be like, why? What is interesting about this? It's just.
You know what?
I never understood.
In this game, I would like it's not supposed to, but I would forcibly like take the bend and drift, and you're not supposed to do that.
Wait, Kara, you ever did?
I'm not a car person.
2424. You should probably know, or at least 421.
For which one?
For Daytona. That's kind of.
Oh, you mean the stick?
Yeah, 2424.
Oh, so if you remember, you know how you have the red button in the race cabinet to select the car and everything? Hold down that red button and what do you get?
I kind of forgot.
You get the safety car.
Paul.
The one with the yellow lights? I still remember this game.
I've only fully played the second one.
Oh, I played the first one. Oh, hang on.
Who my copies? When you see that hot bathing on the beach.
Oh, hang on. I need to send
I'm scared.
I have to make
We went to the wrong neighborhood.
and then I gotta make the head explode and then it'll be done.
Don't say anything to make them mad.
Valid.
They see dangerous.
We didn't switch.
Bon finna shoot all of us, bro.
Hi, Cyan. Hi, Blue. Everyone is trying my gun. Sure.
Is this done?
I have a gun.
Oh no.
I have a gun. See?
One is pointing it at me. Oh, yep, you have your gun too.
Wait, what is the gesture?
What's your next word?
Oh!
I'm going to the next wave with this.
Guys, he's supposed to be scary. This is not scary.
This is scary. It's hilarious.
What the heck, man?
Dude, you should have a sound effect that goes whoop,
and then I thought about it, but I'm stupid and habitat 3 is hard.
Bye.
Fun.
I've been too busy with Worlds. I haven't even touched Avatar series, so I don't blame you.
I've been too busy with avatars. I haven't touched Worlds, so I don't blame you.
Outrun, Test Drive, and more. Okay. So is this just kind of like going to be a hub world? Did we ever hear what the background was for this?
Check my status.
I think I didn't, or we missed it because we weren't asking. Are they still in here?
Well, I mean, yeah, because they crashed so hard. So I don't know if we ever heard that the background, what the plan was for this world, but see, there was, yeah, I don't think they made it in. I haven't seen them.
No, I saw them. They were here.
Oh, no, there they are. There they are.
I did crash when I loaded in. I got booted to like a empty instance.
Yeah, GTA's over there.
Oh, Fiona? In this section, you'd want your world volume down. This, especially here.
Why? It is down.
That has copyright music.
Oh, you know what? I've never gotten a strike from Twitch, so I don't know how.
You want to see what it's like?
No, it's just like I've declined affiliate, so I don't know, and I don't have enough views. I don't know if anybody cares. So.
I guess maybe. I don't know how they would
No, I've never had any issues with any of my bots and music. Never.
Okay.
Twitch is less. So YouTube would that. What is going on with that? Is that Magic Monkey?
YouTube would definitely be title.
Yes.
Like who's that? This game, back in the day, was freaking sick. You were the coolest kid in school if you had this game.
Oh, Gran Turismo 2. I see.
Yeah.
I never got into. I think I got into Gran Turismo pretty late. I think I had the third game, and then I got the fourth one with the drive and stuff. So I used to play on my cousins instead.
Oh, I won't. I actually won't forget the ad that they did for Gran Turismo 3.
And stuff. I was more into like games like Burnout.
The ad for Gran Turismo 3, what they did was they showed a photo of a car, and they literally Sony wrote in the bottom of that photo, "We're sorry that we couldn't show you a photo of a car. Here's in-game graphics."
Actually, I think the earliest driving game I had was, I think it was World Rally Championship. I had like a disc. PC, I think. It had like a Subaru, it had that on the front cover. That was really cool.
We all know that Mario Kart Wii is the superior title in this battle.
Dem keys.
Listen, no.
Hey, where you going? Do you have a series of Unity tutorials on YouTube?
Actually, I missed this one.
Yes. Ah, that is you! So I was just looking up Unity particles, and then and I found this like ring particle tutorial. I go in there, I'm like, wait, is that the same Dem keys? Is that you? I had no idea you did those. That's awesome. Cool. I have to go back and watch them now. Get learned.
Oh man, what happened to this? Jesus Christ.
Whoa, hello. Oh boy. That was that Dem keys.
Yep, sounded like it.
So I guess we're done.
Yep. Squaredy put the thanks for coming, Shader.
Early today. Yeah, awesome. Great. Well, in that case, I'm gonna head off and eat.
Oh, this is the last world?
Yeah, this is the last world.
Yeah, this is it.
I'll have to catch up on the stream again.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I missed a bunch just because I kept disconnecting or slow loading and various garbage. So, oh well.
Yeah, I was showing Calvara the booth that I was making, and then the city world as well. I want to show the city world off here at some point, but I need to like bake things and not use real-time lights or something.
Optimizations
That's
and
like,
stuff.
yeah.
I have so many things to do. Okay. So many things to do. I wanted to go do things. Go do things. Eat first, then do things. Okay, guys. I'll see y'all later.
Bye.
See ya.
I'm also gonna get off to get food as well. So, bye.
Yeah, I'll see you in Discord.
And I slept through the meetup this time.
See you.
Oh no.
And with that, that is the community meetup. Thank you guys for watching, and see you again next week. Okay, that's an interesting thing to do. But yep. Bye, everyone.